Hello everyone! Once again, I'm Cyrus of DK Realty Philippines na napunta karon sa atong virtual tour, and this time if you're an Airbnb host or wanna be an Airbnb host, wanna start a transient home rental business, this property is the best for you. So as a rental Airbnb host myself, I'm so excited to show you this property because in the market, this is one of the best in aesthetic cozy unit kitan-awa ra gid upon entering ma-appreciate nimo diretso kung unsa siya ka nice because upon entering mubungon na din sa imoha ang duha ka si tawag gani ani kanang mura og bunk beds. And if you can see it like one by one, pwede siya for two persons here, one. So this Airbnb house is good for 6 persons. So usually pag mga Airbnb host ka, it would be better if you can host ka ng daghan gani kaayo nga packs for you to be sellable in the market, especially right now that Airbnb in Butuan is booming, and at the same time daghan na kay kakompetensya. So this type of unit nga daghan kay kag ma-accommodate is one of the most sellable units. Actually, this unit is full up until April 13. It's just that ang owner gusto na niya i-dispose because of personal reasons, and at the same time, wala na po sila dire sa Butuan. They will be going to Davao to do their business there. So they decided to sell this out, and then tanawa sa lang ang ilahang four-seater nga dining table. So you can dine here in a very comfortable way. And then appreciate yun na po ang giyon sa nila pagbutang ang ilahang mga bunk beds, no? Kay it's space efficient, and at the same time kaingon jud ka ba nga for a studio type or pad type unit which has 24 square meters nga floor area, this is a smart move. So going here na atay iyahang kanang TV, iyahang aircon, which makes this space very cozy and comfortable. So showing you here also their breakfast nook, and at the same time their countertop for their kitchen. And look at that. Gabi kayo ka aesthetic, no? And tanawa na good. Napansin ako ilaha ba, they use pin lights that made it more interesting. Tapos ila mga lights, no, gabi jud, as in. So upon entering here, very spacious po ang ilahang kitchen space because you can comfortably cook here, do your dishes. Tapos napagid sila mga built-in cabinets where you can put here your utensils, imuhang pans and whatnot. So most of our Airbnb also don't have laundry area, but this property has its own laundry area. Napagid siya washing machine. So for those clients or Airbnb guests that would like to stay here for a longer period of time, like for a 1 month or 2 month stay, this is best for them kay they'll do their laundries here. Yun. And finally, we're down to our last space, which is the comfort room. So, ang naka-nice kay rare po ng mga Airbnb nga na ay hot and cold, but this pad type unit has its own hot and cold, which is more likely ganahan sa ato mga clients that are foreigners kay may lang mga ganahan po, no? So, if you're interested for this property, just send me a message today so that I can give you the payment terms and all the specifications that you would like to know. Once again, I'm Cyrus, a sales manager of BK Realty Philippines. That's all for today. Bye!